Coming into summer, a lot of humidity comes in the house and things start to swell. So this door here is really tight whenever you close it, and then it doesn't latch. You have to latch it and then pull up, and then that'll get it to hold. Once it is latched here, it holds just fine, but since this is swelling up here, it's pushing the door down, and that's why it's not able to latch. If you open and close the door, you can see right where it's rubbing up against the top, and right here is where we need to take off that material. Plane, we can start working off material. Right now it's doing a little bit better, but it rubs right up here at the knot. And now there's nothing touching at the top of the door. Taking off that material, this closes freely now. And then at the latch here, now the door can move up to where it wants to be, and it freely closes because there's not pressure pushing down on the door. On this corner of the latch plate, you can see where it's rubbing. It's just barely getting in here, so we're just gonna file away a little bit of this metal and then also the wood where the corners are, and it's not completely formed to the metal, so we wanna make sure everything is correct. Now with a piece of sandpaper, we're gonna deburr the wood. It won't take much to get it to the correct shape. And sometimes a drywall screw can work very well as a rat tail file as well. All that's left now is to clean up. This door is so much more convenient now. It closes extremely easy. You can do it with one finger, and it's much better than what it was before you'd really have to pull this because it's really just dragging at the top. So this is just so much better, and it's a lot nicer to have a working door.